doing an unboxing slash mini micro review of the Comica LinkFlex AD3. As of right now, I'm just using the built-in microphone that is on my camera. Now the LinkFlex AD3 is a 2-channel XLR audio preamp mixer adapter with an interface for both a camera and a smartphone. So, well, here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Whoa. Oh man, I was not expecting this kind of packaging. This is actually, what's out here? Complete protected foam. This is pretty nice actually. Let's get that out of the way. So you have the typical warranty or registration card, little business card here, and you've got the actual user manual, which I'm hoping I can actually figure this out without having to use the owner manual. Alright, and we've got some Velcro straps here, I guess to mount to the device directly. And oh, this is nice. I was not expecting this to be completely metal. Wow. Okay. Alright, so apparently you need a 9-volt battery, which I went to the store and got. So let's do that. This is very nice. It even has a belt clip here, so you can, it's wearable, you can wear it with you, and you can do your audio monitoring with the headphone, or microphone, headphone. Microphones go in here. It's got all different interfaces for the microphone, XLR, and 2.5mm jack, 3.5mm standard size jack, and 6.3 as well. So all 3 sizes of microphones actually fit in here. That's crazy. Let me double check that. Let me see. So I have an adapter here, right? And all right, let's try. So this will just go in there. Boom, just like that. Let's try with the adapter. Plugs into the center of the XLR ports here. Huh. Wow. Okay, so this actually does cover every style of port. And seeing as it does have push to release, I do think that the XLR on here will be grounded. There are different styles of XLR connections. One is grounded, one is not, or matched and not matched. Alright, let's throw in a 9-volt battery here. Oh man, this is exciting. I can't wait to try this out. Find out what the difference is in regards to the audio. Alright, so which way does the battery go? Where's the positive, negative? There we go. Okay, so positive's on this side. So it's written on the inside. It's written on the inside of the box here. Which one's positive, which one's negative. So make sure you get that right before you mess it up. And this does have built-in phantom power. If you're not aware of what phantom power actually is, some condenser microphones do not have an electromagnetic diaphragm, or sorry, a certain type of pickup in regards to the diaphragm that just basically translates static vibrations into sound. And with those, you actually need what's called phantom power in order to power up the microphone so that it can then change the vibrations into sound. Not every microphone requires that. Okay, why is this so hard to put in? What's going on here? Yeah, that's right. I guess because it's new. Just don't want to break this the day that I bring it home, you know what I mean? Alright. Or maybe this battery is just too big. Okay, well, it is a very tight fit. Hopefully the tabs are, the back side of this is plastic, the top half is metal. Hopefully it doesn't break, and alright, so this would go into the camera. How far is this cable? Okay, yeah, it's pretty far actually. Or, actually it's a little short. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and I will be right back once I set all this up. Okay, so I am now using the absolute cheapest microphone that I have in my arsenal. Sorry, cheapest external microphone. And I am not using the adapter piece, which is a higher quality sound. I'm using just the standard. Holy crap, this is crazy. I was not expecting the sound quality to be this phenomenal. Oh man, this is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Okay, so this is with just the standard output plug of 3.5 millimeters. Now I'm going to plug in the 6.3 millimeter plug. Okay, so apparently I was correct. Using the improper adapter is the problem. Although this is a stereo microphone, the 6.3 output from this, I believe, is mono. Which is standard for dynamic microphones such as this. The sound quality is still pretty good if you ask me. Anyway, alright, so that's with the 6.3 millimeter plug, and now I'm going to try out the full XLR experience, and we'll see exactly how that goes. And now we're back. Thank you so much for tuning in live. Okay, so yeah, this preamp is it's really good. I can't even believe this. Let's play with the levels here. And yeah, it's extremely powerful. Like very powerful. I'm not even at a quarter up. Oh, actually, yeah, I'm about 50%. Let's turn it up a bit more, see if there's any feedback or anything. No. Oh, actually, no, I was at a quarter up, and that is 100%. So it does have very, very nice fine tuning here. This is an absolutely phenomenal addition to my arsenal. I've got beautiful audio now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That makes me really happy. Okay, so actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the other microphone in and see if you're doing interviews and things of that nature, if it's actually usable. So let's do that very quickly and carefully as we move all this stuff around and make a whole bunch of noise and annoying scrapes and all that fun stuff. Let's get this out of here. And I'm obviously only wearing the headphones because, you know, just want to check the levels as it's playing back, which is always a good thing to do. So let me just try this here. I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm going to interview the same person that I already am. Why, thank you so much for having me on your show. This is absolutely phenomenal. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm so happy to be here. Well, I'm glad that you decided to stop by. We don't always get a wonderful guest like yourself. Why, thank you for the compliment. That is absolutely phenomenal. I was not expecting that. Okay, guys, so there you have it. This microphone, preamp, is phenomenal. And yeah, for the price, this is incredibly good audio quality. Like I said, this black microphone I'm holding here, I think it cost me all of, I think it was like $10, something like that. I only wanted it for the stand. But yeah, this has completely transformed both of these microphones, actually. Yeah, so this is the Comica LinkFlex AD3 Preamp. You need to go get one like right now. If you're thinking about a preamp, you cannot beat the quality of this thing for the price. I honestly don't understand how Comica keeps doing this, but wow. Wow, 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 wow. Anyway, that's it. See you guys next time.